Hey guys, it's Cami and welcome to this video. So this is a vlog and I cannot wait to just catch you up on what I've been doing over the last couple of weeks. I'm gonna talk you through it because that's kind of how I have to do. I've got a new baby and it's really hard to film things in the moment for me. You guys, I have been shopping, cooking, filming videos. So that's what this vlog is. I'm going to catch you up on what has been happening over the last couple of weeks. I have been buying a lot of beauty from Ulta Beauty, from Sephora. I've been getting it all delivered to me and I'm so happy with what I've been getting, as well as I did a couple of drugstore shops. So let's go ahead and start with some of the recent too much coffee. So let's go ahead and start with some of the recent purchases that I made that I want to share with you because I want to let you know what new makeup is on the market. So I recently went to CVS. All right, so these are a couple of the items that I got from the store this morning. So I got a couple of eye patches, which I'm very excited to use because with a new baby, I've barely been getting any sleep. Well, I just haven't been getting enough sleep. So I'm really excited to use the new eye patches by the Cream Shop. And then also there's the Essence Blush Lighter. I don't know if this is new, but it looks like it's going to be really pretty. I don't know much about the Essence highlighters, but I'm going to try that out. It's a blush lighter, but I will probably use this more as like a highlighter. So I'm hoping the color just like stands out on me. I got the new, well, it's not new. It's the Super Stay Active Foundation. I'm not exactly sure that that is my color. It looks like it's going to be just a tiny bit really warm on me, so we'll see about that. And there's also this lip oil by LA Girl. Lip oils are so nice. Like I have just one that I've been using. I got it from like the Dollar Tree a little while ago, but I'd like to see if this is going to be as good. I really need like a pamper session. I really just want to like get in the bathtub and like wear these and like just hope I get some sleep that night. So we hosted Thanksgiving at my house. I absolutely really loved it. We made all the food and we put up all the decorations for Thanksgiving. It really turned out really nice. And we just had a couple of people over, a couple of our elders in our family. So I also decided to do some cooking, you guys. I have been ordering some meals from HelloFresh. I'm interested in using another company soon just to see what they have, but I have been using HelloFresh lately and I've absolutely been loving cooking the meals. So this one here is a bean soup that I got from HelloFresh and it came out really good. And I'm cooking with a baby, so I go really slow and I don't put any pressure on myself to hurry up and go fast. And I like dishes that take quite a while anyway. So yeah, we ended up having bean soup for dinner one day.
Thank you. Oh.
This soup came out really, really good. I don't know, it just seemed hearty and warm, and it was right up my alley. I love making dishes like that. So yeah, we enjoyed a little bit of my cooking. And also I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of clothing haul. It's only gonna be a couple of minutes. I just thought this stuff is so cute. I gotta show you. To doing a clothing haul. I've been doing a lot of shopping for my son. So you guys, I've been loving photographing outfits and posting them on Instagram. The giveaway question is, are you interested in entering my very next giveaway? If I could just not sleep for the next like 2 weeks, like if I didn't need sleep, I would definitely be uploading a lot more for you guys. I've been trying out new makeup. I've been trying out a lot of Maybelline makeup here on this channel. So anyway, I've been having a lot of fun trying out new face bases also on this channel. So check out those videos. They're linked down below if you are interested. I think you're gonna get some good information out of it. All right guys, so that wraps up this vlog. I hope that you were entertained somewhat by it. This is just like things that I do on a regular basis. And don't forget to answer the giveaway question. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my very next video. Bye.